as with anybody who's entering a profession as to start. It's uphill. There's a lot of hard work, learning. I mean, you do learn through your training, but most of what you learn is what you learn while working, and so it's going to be a bit of a tough slog. So just remember that you do want to work hard, but you also want to make sure that you're keeping some balance in your life. There, particularly with lawyers, there tends to be a situation where young associates in law firms just um, devote themselves to it, and that can be unhealthy. You let the pressure get to you, and you don't have other outlets. So make sure you have other outlets, other hobbies, your family, just getting out with activities that allow you to do keep that balance in your life, because otherwise you can tend to get to a situation where you're letting the wrong things become your supports, and that's one of the reasons we have so many issues of addictions in the legal profession, almost the highest of any profession, because um, people turn to alcohol, they turn to drugs, they turn to gambling, they turn to um, those unhealthy ways of letting off steam and relaxing, and so it's and if you can be aware of that and watch yourself before you get to that, that's important. And if you are having issues, reach out and get help. There's no shame to doing that. It's another thing that we've been trying to stress, is that we all have issues in our lives. We all need help at various points, and there's no shame in asking for help. You have, I'm sure, there are, when you start working, you'll have um, uh, different agencies that you can seek services from, that will help you and get that. So those are, I guess, my main words of wisdom, and such as they are. And I wish you well. And again, if you after a few years, if you feel like giving back, then I urge you to consider serving on certain of the committees of the Law Society, and maybe even taking a crack at serving as a bencher of the Law Society. So, um, thank you again.